Hi there, Nicole Minder, licensed esthetician, owner of Savvy Skin Spa, and today we have a new product. It is a travel kit. So I know everybody is getting out and about and either traveling locally or maybe you're going to Hawaii. I know a lot of people are going there. So I came up with this travel kit. It's $59. It has the Gentle Cleanser, the Peptide Moisturizer, the Ultra Mist Toner, and then it has a whole bunch of samples in it too. So I would actually call them travel size. So each of these little containers right here contain the vitamin C, the hyaluronic moisture surge, and the brightening serum. For the first 6 people that purchase it, will also have the eye cream as well. So each of the little bottles, these little ones right here, has 10 droppers, so that should get you through your entire vacation, and it's going to retail for $59. So this great travel case, you can put your toothbrush and toothpaste and all your goodies in here and have it in one little container, and there you go. All right, you take care. Bye.